You can't keep quiet about this. As part of his daily routine, Ripple's CEO has been criticizing the SEC in public. Why does this matter, though? It's easy. For both experts and crypto fans, it gives them trust. A lot of people are now talking about how XRP Ripple could hit $263 very soon. We really can't miss this chance. You will never be the same after watching that video. Nota bene, the ongoing legal fight between the SEC and Ripple Labs over XRP has captivated the crypto world, and people have very different thoughts on how the SEC's appeal might turn out. This fight, which is about whether or not XRP is a security, has not only changed the direction of Ripple, but could also set a standard for the whole cryptocurrency market. Is still optimistic about the chances of the latest court decision being upheld. The ruling by Judge Annalisa Torres that XRP is not a security when sold on secondary markets has given Ripple and its supporters a lot of hope. In the past, the Second Circuit has had a very low rate of overturning lower court decisions. This gives Alderati faith that the appeal process will go well for Ripple. Alderati says that the Second Circuit doesn't often reverse decisions like Judge Torres. We think the law is on our side because the facts are clear. That being said, not everyone is as sure of themselves. Dennis Kelleher, CEO of Better Markets, has a very different point of view. He says that the SEC has a 90% chance of winning on appeal. Kelleher doesn't like Judge Torres' decision and says it goes against decades of established securities law. Basically, he says that the judge's decision to separate smart buyers from less smart ones sets a bad example. Kelleher says that the ruling sets an odd legal precedent by considering institutional sales to be violations of securities laws but not programmatic sales. This could make things less consistent, which would be bad for small businesses. What people think makes something a security is at the heart of the debate. Judge Torres' decision said that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutions broke securities laws, but it didn't apply to programmatic sales or other transfers. A heated argument has broken out over this complicated difference. Kelleher says that this difference wrongly protects big investors while leaving small investors open to risk. Some critics agree with this point of view, as they are worried that the decision could lead to a two-tiered system of protecting investors. The people who use XRP, who are sometimes called the XRP army, have not taken these complaints lightly. I've been quick to disagree with Kelleher's claims. They say the court didn't say that XRP was a security in and of itself, but rather that it looked at certain situations where it could be seen as an investment contract. People who disagree with them say that critics have missed or misinterpreted this important difference. But now for the real question. What does this mean for the price of XRP? Could this legal fight really cause a huge surge? Also, what do the XRP army think about the next step? I'm about to tell you something that could totally change the game. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Not long ago, an excited tweet from xrp+ripple, a big fan of XRP, said that the price of XRP is about to go up a lot. This time, it will be a steep climb. Put on your seatbelts and try to stay cool. Even though these claims are exciting, they make me wonder how high XRP can really go. People in the crypto world often make big predictions, but when it comes to XRP, there are a lot of different ideas. On one end are people like CryptoSets guy who are getting more and more annoyed by the sky-high predictions that are going around on social media. He gets very angry when people say that XRP could go through the roof and reach $100 by the end of the year. From his point of view, these kinds of predictions are more like dreams than facts because they create unrealistic hopes that could lead buyers astray. To give you an idea of how much this is worth, XRP is worth about 59 cents right now. The price would have to go through the roof by 17,000% for it to reach $100. The cryptocurrency market is known for being very unstable and sometimes growing very quickly. However, a jump of this size in such a short amount of time is very unusual by most measures. Crypto assets say that a $4 goal for XRP is much more likely to be reached. If this happened, the price would go up by 606%. This is a big jump, but it fits better with how the crypto market usually works. It wasn't easy to come up with this goal. It's based on a deep analysis of market trends, investor mood, and the economy as a whole. As a reminder, it's good to set realistic goals, even though it's fun to think big. This is especially true in a market as volatile as crypto. Even though people are being told to be careful, some experts are still making very optimistic predictions. For example, look at Javon Marks. He caused a stir when he said that XRP could skyrocket to $263, which would be a huge 46,000% rise from where it is now. Mark's prediction is based on a pattern of consolidation that goes back almost 7 years. He thinks that this pattern is getting close to a key breaking point. Mark says that all of the technical signs are flashing green, which means that XRP is about to have a rally like never before. Similarly, an expert called Dark Defender has used Elliott wave theory, a way to look at market cycles based on how investors think, to paint a bullish picture. Dark Defender thinks that XRP could hit $36 in the long run, naming specific price targets along the way, like 1.8, 5.8, 6.5, and $18.20. Based on what he found, XRP seems to be in the third wave of a five-wave series. The third wave is usually the strongest. That being said, it's much bigger than anyone thinks. In the background, Ripple is quietly doing things that could change the whole banking world. Many people don't pay attention to what's going on, but these events could send XRP even higher than the experts think it will go. What's going to happen next could really shock you. You won't want to miss this, trust me. This means that Ripple has a big impact on the world, and new study shows just how big its network has become. Tokenizer, an enterprise blockchain research company, says that Ripple's technology and XRP have made big steps forward on every continent, even though they are still having legal problems in the US. Ripple has done a great job of trying to grow its reach. Ripple has taken advantage of opportunities in other countries by forming relationships that show how widely its technology is being used. Ripple is now a big player in the global financial ecosystem thanks to its ambitious and successful international strategy. With its central bank digital cash platform, Ripple has come a long way in South America. For example, the Bank of Colombia has already tried its CBDC on Ripple's platform, which is a strong sign that the bank trusts Ripple's technology. The National Federation of Associations of Central Bank Servers and Ripple want to change the way money is handled in Brazil by making payments, tokenization, and cash management better. This partnership shows that Ripple wants to improve the financial infrastructure in emerging countries. Europe is another place where Ripple is becoming more important. Ripple's ability to work well in strict regulatory settings is shown by its partnership with ClearJunction to make it easier for Europeans to send money to each other across borders. The partnership, which is overseen by the Financial Conduct Authority, shows that Ripple is serious about following the rules while also trying new things in financial technology. Ripple is also becoming more important in the European financial sector, as shown by the fact that DZ Bank has integrated Ripple's digital asset security firm, Medico, and the Central Bank of Montenegro has chosen to test Ripple's CBDC platform. Ripple's success in Asia has been built on its relationship with SBI Holdings, which began in 2016 and has been going strong ever since. Because of this partnership, XRP can help people send money across borders in areas that are growing quickly, like the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Ripple recently got a license from to operate as a major payments institution. This means that the company can offer more services in the area. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.